Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon. One thing I just want to let you know is this is my office space as well as my auditioning space as well as my unload everything space. When I do go away or travel for work, I usually just dump everything right here. Maybe this isn't the best place to film. I didn't think this through, but guess what? We're gonna go through with it anyway. So I just wanted to make a quick video about doing a blowout because I feel like I haven't had straight hair in a while. And if I do, I normally just let it air dry on its own, but I just took it out of the towel and I kind of wanna do something that I used to do so much back in the 90s and early 2000s. One of my good friends, Desi, her mom was a hairdresser and taught Desi, or Desi learned how to do her own blowouts with a round brush and a blow dryer, and she taught me. And we used to just do our own all the time. So it was kind of a mystery trying to understand how people would pay for blowouts when they first started popping up, like these blowout places, because for me, it's like, well, you know, it just takes a little bit of arm power and a round brush and a dryer, and I could do it in like a half hour. But I thought it would be funny to film myself giving myself a blowout because this is what we used to do when we wanted straight hair. We couldn't just go to a place that was called Dry Bar and just get it done for us. I'm gonna use this little paddle brush here to brush this hair out because I just took it out of the towel. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this Pureology Color Fanatic spray. It's a multitasking leave-in spray for color treated hair because a chick has some color treated hair. Okay. I have to stop looking at myself there and look here. I'm a sucker for products that just smell amazing because I just want to smell like them all day. I'm gonna do the part down the middle. And also I need a hair clip. And she's back. What I'm gonna do is kind of dry my hair like semi-dry, like a little rough dry, and then I'm going to use my round brush. Michelle, yes, I have your brush. You know this. Oh, by the way, I just want to let you know that I don't just use any hair dryer, and the reason is I need like a 2000 watt, like for it to work. I don't trust anything else. So I got this little Rusk weightless baby at Ulta, and it works amazing. Also, the other one that I recommend is the Rusk Speed Freak one because it is amazing. Going to part halfway up. I have a feeling this is gonna be a long video, but I'm gonna have to cut it down because you guys know that I don't like videos that are over like 15 minutes long. So I'm gonna try my best to show you as much as I can without making it really long and boring and drawn out. But this is the shit we used to do. Okay, this is the shit we used to do and go through in order to get our hair to look amazing. So here we are. I'm gonna cut this in two. Here we go. I understand why people pay for this, but like, we didn't have that. I mean, I guess we could have that option back in the day, but we just didn't do it. We just did it ourselves, so. No fancy tools here. Oh yeah, and a lot of like wrapping, okay? I'm sure you know that. I'm sure you've seen your hairdressers do it. Like a lot of this. Also, it comes out really shiny when you do it that way. Okay, that's one like quarter almost of the way. His hair is so long. Look at that shine. Wow. So proud of myself. I haven't done this in so long. Yeah. I know some people will take the piece that they just did and roll it back up and pin it. I guess that gives them a little bit more volume. But with my hair in that case, I feel like my hair just drops anyway, and I mean, it definitely takes a longer time to do, and I'm not in it. I don't feel like spending the time, which is probably why when my hair is straight, it's just rough, like dried. We're almost there, guys. I'm pretty sure this is like the quickest that I've ever gone through it. And I don't know if it's just because it's been a while and I've had 5 cups of coffee or 4 or something, but I'm just happy to be doing this again. It's like a little treat today, this Friday afternoon. Arm's getting tired. The right arm's tired. Now these guys in the front, so I have a small curtain bang. I'm going to curl, obviously in all directions, but mainly down this way so that they swoop. Okay, so let's do it this way. They don't want to listen. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. All right, okay, so I have parted down the center. Oh, hello, there she is. I call this my little J-Lo curtain bang situation because I feel like no matter what year it is, J-Lo always has curtain bangs, which in turn made me want them. So, here, there. Okay, so I have this Kenra Platinum Silkening Gloss and Polish that I'm gonna use. It's like a clear little substance. And I'm just gonna hit the top and a little bit of these bottoms. Let me know what tools you guys use to create your blowouts, if you even do them. For somebody at home who just wants to do like a quick version of this, I'm sure there are amazing, amazing hair tools that help you achieve this look without the struggle of killing your right or left arm. So thank you guys for watching this video. I greatly appreciate you. If you guys have any suggestions for cool hair tools that you use for blowouts, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys so much.